Welcome to Juxta Micro-Convenience Store, the future of retail at your fingertips. Designed for speed and efficiency, Juxta combines cutting-edge technology with everyday convenience. These fully automated stores feature AI-driven inventory systems, seamless cashless transactions, and a customer-centric design that lets you grab what you need anytime, day or night. No lines, no cashiers, just scan, pick, and go. From snacks and beverages to essential household items, Juxta is stocked with everything you need for life on the go. Perfectly sized for urban spaces, workplaces, and transit hubs, these compact stores redefine accessibility. Experience the new era of hassle-free shopping with Juxta, the micro-convenience store built for your modern lifestyle. Always open, always there. Introducing the Anduril Roadrunner Drone, a revolutionary leap in autonomous aerial technology. Designed for high-speed operations, Roadrunner delivers unmatched performance in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With a lightweight, durable frame, it achieves speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, making it ideal for rapid response scenarios. Powered by Enduril's Lattice AI platform, the Roadrunner is capable of autonomous navigation, real-time data analysis, and seamless integration with other systems. Whether it's monitoring large areas or executing precision tasks, this drone excels in dynamic environments. Its extended flight time, secure communications, and rugged design ensure reliable performance in even the harshest conditions. From defense applications to critical infrastructure monitoring, the Anduril Roadrunner sets a new standard for operational efficiency and speed. Redefine the future of unmanned systems with the Anduril Roadrunner Drone, where innovation meets action. CorPower Ocean is a cutting-edge renewable energy company, revolutionizing the way we harness wave energy. Its unique wave energy converter technology mimics the pumping motion of the human heart, achieving unmatched efficiency and durability. By capturing both incoming and outgoing wave forces, CorPower devices generate up to 5 times more energy than traditional wave technologies. With compact designs and lightweight materials, these converters are cost-effective and easy to deploy. CorPower's innovative control systems also protect the devices during extreme storms, ensuring reliability in all conditions. Aligned with a vision for a clean energy future, CorPower Ocean has been tested across Europe and is now scaling up operations to power coastal communities worldwide. It's not just energy, it's innovation driving sustainability. CorPower Ocean, shaping the future of renewable energy, one wave at a time. The Fib Flying Inflatable Boat is a groundbreaking fusion of aviation and marine innovation. Combining a lightweight, inflatable boat with a powered hang glider, it delivers an exhilarating experience both on water and in the air. The boat's rugged, inflatable design ensures buoyancy, safety, and versatility for water operations, while its lightweight aluminum frame and high-performance motor enable smooth, controlled flights. Ideal for adventurers and explorers, the Fib offers takeoff and landing on calm waters, making it perfect for coastal, island, and lake environments. Its compact and portable design ensures easy transportation and storage, while its reliability and ease of use make it accessible to pilots of various skill levels. The Fib Flying Inflatable Boat redefines adventure by letting you explore the skies and seas like never before. An extraordinary innovation for thrill seekers worldwide. Introducing the HWE Puzzle, a unique and engaging challenge that combines entertainment with mental stimulation. Perfect for all ages, the HWE Puzzle offers a captivating experience designed to sharpen your problem-solving skills and test your creativity. Made with high-quality, eco-friendly materials, this puzzle boasts vibrant colors and a seamless design that guarantees hours of fun. Whether you're solving it alone, with friends, or as a family activity, the HWE Puzzle is more than just a game. It's an adventure that sparks imagination and strengthens critical thinking. Compact and portable, you can take it anywhere to enjoy a quick brain boost on the go. Elevate your leisure time with the HWE Puzzle, where fun meets intellect. Discover the thrill of off-road skating with PowerSlide inline skates, designed for adventure enthusiasts. Equipped with robust air-filled tires, these skates tackle uneven terrains like dirt tracks, gravel paths, and forest trails with ease. The lightweight aluminum frame provides unmatched stability and power transfer, ensuring smooth, efficient glides even on challenging surfaces. A secure buckle and strap system locks your feet in place, while advanced shock absorption and reinforced ankle support keep you comfortable and safe throughout your journey. Whether you're exploring nature or pushing your limits, PowerSlide off-road skates empower you to skate beyond boundaries. Embrace the freedom and conquer the outdoors with PowerSlide. Experience the ultimate blend of innovation and adventure with Float Ski, the revolutionary personal watercraft. Designed for thrill seekers and water enthusiasts, Float Ski combines the agility of a jet ski with the stability of a floating platform. Its lightweight, eco-friendly design ensures smooth performance, powered by a high-torque electric motor for quiet, emission-free rides. Whether you're carving through waves, exploring serene lakes, or just enjoying the open water, Float Ski delivers unparalleled control and comfort. With advanced safety features, customizable settings, and a sleek, compact design, Float Ski is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Redefine your water adventures with Float Ski, where excitement meets innovation. Phoenix Fly wingsuits are a testament to the pinnacle of human ingenuity and adventure. Specializing in precision-engineered designs, Phoenix Fly crafts wingsuits that enable daring pilots to glide through the skies with unmatched agility and control. These suits are tailored to cater to all levels, from novice flyers to professional skydivers, offering a perfect blend of safety, performance, and aerodynamics. With cutting-edge materials and innovative construction, Phoenix Fly ensures reduced drag and enhanced maneuverability. Experience the thrill of human flight with suits designed to make your descent seamless, breathtaking, and unforgettable. Phoenix Fly, redefining the art of wingsuit flying. Introducing the Garaventa 136 FUL Stoßbahn, the world's steepest funicular railway, located in Switzerland. This engineering marvel ascends at an astonishing gradient of 110%, effortlessly transporting passengers to the picturesque alpine village of Stoos. Designed with precision by Garaventa, the Stoßbahn features cylindrical cabins that rotate to ensure passengers remain level throughout the journey. Spanning 1,720 meters, it combines breathtaking views with cutting-edge technology. Operational since 2017, this funicular has set new benchmarks in transport innovation, showcasing Swiss craftsmanship and ingenuity. Whether you're an adventurer or a nature lover, the Stoßbahn offers an unforgettable experience. Garaventa, elevating travel to new heights. The Ortega Submersible is a cutting-edge, fully submersible vehicle designed for deep-sea exploration. Engineered with advanced technology, it can dive to incredible depths, offering unparalleled access to underwater environments. Equipped with high-definition cameras and sophisticated sensors, it allows for detailed visual and data collection, making it ideal for marine research, environmental monitoring, and exploration. Its durable, pressure-resistant hull ensures safety, even under extreme conditions. Whether you're a scientist, adventurer, or filmmaker, the Ortega Submersible provides a unique and reliable way to explore the mysteries of the deep ocean. Dive into a new world of discovery with Ortega. The BioLeg is an innovative prosthetic limb that combines cutting-edge biotechnology with advanced engineering, offering unmatched comfort, functionality, and adaptability. Designed to mimic the natural movement of the human leg, it uses sensors and AI-powered algorithms to adjust in real time to your walking patterns. With a lightweight yet durable construction, the BioLeg enhances mobility while reducing strain on the user's body. Its advanced materials are both strong and flexible, making it suitable for various terrains. Whether for daily activities or more demanding sports, the BioLeg provides a seamless, lifelike experience, helping users regain independence and confidence with every step. Revolutionizing mobility, it's the future of prosthetic technology. The WM exoskeleton is an advanced wearable robotic suit designed to enhance mobility and strength, particularly for individuals with mobility impairments or those working in physically demanding environments. This exoskeleton uses a combination of sensors, motors, and actuators to assist with movement, offering support for walking, standing, and lifting. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable for long durations of use, while its intuitive control system allows users to move with ease. The WM exoskeleton helps reduce strain on joints and muscles, promoting better posture and reducing fatigue. It's being utilized in rehabilitation centers, workplaces, and research, aiming to improve quality of life by empowering users with enhanced movement capabilities. Whether aiding with recovery or assisting in heavy labor, the WM exoskeleton represents a leap forward in wearable robotics, combining cutting-edge technology with practical, everyday use.